So hello everyone, hello YouTube. I'm going to present my project for digital design course this semester. And my name is Enes Ülgür, and I basically designed a game called Tic-Tac-Toe or XOX game, as many of you heard. So here's the idea. We have two players, and the first one's switches are here, as you can see. The four switches represent the binary numbers. Binary numbers represent the locations on the board. So we have the first this one and the other player, and once they decide where to put the X or O mark, they are going to push that button, push that pin. This represents the set move. It works like an enable pin. So let me give an example here. If the one on the right decides to make a move at 0001, we set to 1 these 4 bits and then push that button here, and basically we put a X here. And let's say the other player plays 8, which is 100. Let me push. Yeah, so the other player puts a O mark here, and so the turn is goes back to the player 1. So he decided to put the X mark on the 0011 location. So that's why he puts here, and then if you push it, we push it again. We basically put an X over here, and the other one's turn, he decides to put 9, put O on the 9th location here. Let me push. Yep. And as you can see, if the player 1 decides to put an X over here, he's going to win, and we're going to see an increment on one of these. Of course, it is also specified before. Let's put 2 here, and as you can see, we have one increment over here. So in my design, I decide to end the game at a certain value. In that case, in the VHDL code, I set the final score 2. So if one of those reaches to 2, then we are going to see LEDs light up. So for the new round, we have another pin here. So let me push that button. So those locations are erased for the new round. So let's play again. To be fair, let's make the second player as a winner. So he can play first here. Maybe we can try 4, 5, 6 with O's. Alright, let me go through. If we set to 4 and then press the button here, we basically push an O here. Alright. So for the second player, X, we need to put X on the board. Let's go with what? Let's go with this one. I want to put an X here, so I'm just going to go through, put that X. We put that here, X. So the other one's turn. He's going to put an O here, basically. So what he needs to do is set the binary as 0101, and then push the enable button, and then we have O here. And the other one's turn, he decides to put, let's say, X here. So what he did was just set 1001 and then put X here. So other one's turn, if he is going to again put an O mark here, he's going to win. Let me push that again. Nope, it failed. It failed. Maybe I couldn't be able to press it correctly. Yep, I couldn't be able to push the sixth one again, and then he wins. So now the score is even. So for the final round, I'm going to push that button and be ready for the next round. Yep, let me erase. So this time let's try X player with 3 X's over here. So he's going to move first. So let's press X here. Once I put the X here, and the other one's turn, he's going to play, I don't know, 8, no, not 8, 7 maybe. Alright. He put O here. So let me go through quickly. The other one is going to put X here, so I set these values 0, 1, 0, 1. And other one's turn, he's going to put an O here at the 1 location. And finally, we have if the X player is going to put an X here, he's going to win. Yep, we have a winner, and that's what at the beginning of the demonstration I set the final score as 2. We can pick any number we want. So to show quickly, I just set it to 2. So we have a winner, and this demonstrates that the X player is the winner. For the reset the game, we have another pin here. Let me push that finally, and then it is restarted.